Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda Morose and today I'm going to be teaching you about how to tie your shoelaces on your skates if you have a high arch like me. I'm going to put a little diagram up here and I'm going to try to do my best to show you how to do this yourself because it's kind of weird to show from the inside of the skate. I'll try my best. So mine are already tied this way, but I'm gonna redo it since I'm changing the laces. I'll show you guys what I mean and what that chart shows. So I took off my pink laces and going to replace it with this blue purple. So the first step is gonna just be putting both sides in like normal. Okay, so we did the first step was just putting in both sides like normal and tug on that, make sure your thing is on tight. So the side where your arch is, see, so the arch is on this side, the arch is on this side. You are gonna take the lace and you're gonna skip one and go through the bottom only. So you're gonna skip that one. You're gonna bring it through the third hole. So from the inside you can see it went through the bottom. So now you're gonna take this side and you're gonna put it up through the second hole. So this is the side that does not have the arch. Okay. So the side without the arch, you go under, over, just next to it. The side with the arch, you go under, you skip one, and then you take it out on the third. So pretty much you're going to repeat this process, but it gets a little complicated. So then you're going to take this lace and you're going to go across to that second hole on the side of the arch. And you're going to take it through. All right. And then let's just keep it with the same one. You're gonna take that same string and you're gonna skip, since there's a lace in this hole, you go to this hole. You're gonna go to the fourth hole through the bottom. Right, so again, it went through the bottom. And you're now on the fourth hole through the side that does not have the arch. You're gonna take this one and do the same thing, bring it over to the hole right across from it. So again, you're just repeating that over-under process. So now back to this side. You're gonna go across. And then now both laces are on the same side. So you're gonna take, so they're on both sides. You're gonna take the other one that you just put this one through. you're gonna take the other one and again over, under. You're gonna skip the one you just put through and then go to the other hole. And again, it went through the bottom. And then again across. I know it's a bit confusing, but I reference the photo a lot. I'm going to put the link for the photo and just try to follow the photo, but it's pretty much over, under, over, under. And all the laces are going to be like that. They're not going to cross any of them. And again, we're gonna go through the bottom. So the reason we're tying it like this is it is avoiding all your pressure points on your foot, and it won't hurt, or your boot won't feel as tight. I thought that my boots were just too small, or I don't know, they weren't breaking in, but it just turned out that I was not tying my shoelaces correctly because I do have an arched foot. And the Vegan Jack boots do have an insole on the inside, so that helps too. Okay. So since I just put one lace through the last hole, it's going to get confusing. So both of them are on the same side, but you're going to take the one, not the last one, but this one again to the other side from the top and pull it out through the bottom. And then this one again, since you're just going to put it back out through that hole. So from the outside, they never cross. It should look like this, just straight lines. But on the inside is, I don't know if you can see, on the inside is where they all cross over. Yeah. So yeah, this is how you do your laces. I hope it was kind of helpful. I know it's hard to see, but this is what it should look like at the end. And then lace them up normally. So yeah, you're gonna repeat the process on your other skate, and that should definitely help with those pressure points and that arched foot. Right, everybody, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. As always, if you liked the video, please like it, subscribe, and I'll be putting lots more videos up about skating and other stuff. I'm a millennial. Anywho, as always, if you would like to be my friend and support me, it would be very lovely. I do have an affiliate code with Moxie Roller Skates. Use the code MYROSE, M-Y-R-O-S-E, at checkout, and you get $5 off anything that is $15 and above. So get you some goodies, and thank you for watching.